Crafty friends. So today we are going to randomly choose the winner of this week's Crafty giveaway. If you entered this week, you should see your name on this wheel. And I believe we had 21 entries this week, which, wow, that's crazy compared to the last couple of weeks. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And again, if you entered, then you have a chance to win this week's Crafty giveaway bundle. And if you forgot what that is, you can go back on the last video that I uploaded just this past Sunday to see what that is. And I'm also going to be throwing in a little extra prize too, a surprise prize. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is, so you're going to be surprised. So anyways, let me spin the wheel, and whoever it lands on will win this week's Crafty giveaway. Good luck, guys. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? This wheel is so unpredictable sometimes. You think it's gonna stop and it just keeps going. Susan Holiday 5483. Congratulations to you. You are this week's Crafty giveaway winner. To claim your winnings, make sure that you send me an email. My email address is in the description below this video with the name and address in which you would like me to ship your goodies, and I will get those right out for you. So congratulations again, Susan. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you all so much for entering, and even the ones who don't enter but still continue to support my channel. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate and love every single one of you. Make sure that you guys come back on Sunday to see what I will be giving away next week for next week's Crafty giveaway. And I hope you all are having a great week so far, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.